Hello and welcome. My name is Amul and you are watching TubeMint. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall Python from Windows 10. To uninstall Python, you go to your menu, then type control panel, then you go to programs and then look for Python. Uninstall Python. This shouldn't take a long time. And we should be all done. It installs everything related to Python, so Python and Python launcher both. It also deletes all the packages installed with Python and pip. TK support and TCL. This is obviously for 64-bit. And we are done uninstalling Python for Windows. Here we go. You can see uninstall was successful.